It's definitely nice to be able to have all of our stuff in one spot so it can easily be put into the CAFR with our future WData implementation that will only lead to more things that we can do. We really love the aspect of having all of our data connected. We definitely want to use it more for presentations. And that is not something we've had a chance to do yet. Honestly, in trying to think of how we can use everything, it's kind of daunting. But that's one of the great things about Workiva, I think, is that the customer relations that we've had with them have been so good that it makes that task much less daunting. So, getting started with Workiva and now WData, they have always been so available and so helpful in getting us started with any kind of advice that we might need. The best part has been working with the customer success managers.